If you're using a vehicle sensor with your system, establish the placement of the sensor coil and dig a trench at least 12 inches deep from the sensor to a spot underneath the control box. Make sure the sensor is placed parallel to the drive and not perpendicular. Make sure that no vehicles or other metal objects are near the sensor, and attach the sensor wire to the control board as shown. Attaching the sensor wires to the control board will automatically calibrate and program the sensor. This video is designed to be used in conjunction with the installation manual, which contains detailed diagrams, information, and illustrations not shown in this video. The manual also contains a list of tools and other items you may need for proper installation. Please refer to the installation manual when installing your system.